So now that we've confirmed that, let's go ahead and bust it open again and replace the power supply. Okay, so all the screws are still out, which are all right here. Yeah, so it looks like 2 short ones, 2 long ones, and then we have the covers. Why is there one more screw? That is never a good sign. So let's go ahead and take off the top. There we go. So if the power supply doesn't work, the new power supply, then that means this old power supply, it could be good, it could be bad, but that means it might be the switch. I'm gonna go ahead and have to take all of this off. Okay, so I could slide this out like so. I could take this out. Oh, duh. I thought I took it out. There we go. Take the fan out like so. Just kidding. It's giving me a little bit more of a hard time. And there we go. So let me go ahead and disconnect this. Just flip the tab up like so, and it comes off. Easy. Okay, so now that we're done with that.
If you enjoyed and want more of this type of content, leave a like and subscribe for future videos and shorts.